So ma'am, sabi niyo nga, may mga ilang program na talagang may reward system, pero acceptable ba na magkaroon ng reward?
Ayun naman, ibang level naman yon.
Yung pag nakapatay ng drug suspect, yun hindi na acceptable yan, ma'am, di ba?
Syempre naman, ibang usapan naman yun. Yung mga witness protection program, yung rewards for information and informants, with all of these things are well recognized. But clearly, murder is not one of them.
Ano na nakikita niyo, ma'am, dun sa direction ng Quadcom committee hearing? Hindi na ba malinaw yung direction na talagang...
Hindi, maganda naman yung Quadcom hearings, nakita natin, ang dami nilang nailabas na mga ebidensya. So, palagay ko, ang tanong ko na lang at this point, bilang mambabatas, sila at kami, ano ang next step? What is the legislation that we have in mind? I had certain suggestions, yun nga, the PNP modernization. Are we intent on limiting the alleged sources of these funds? Yung sinasabing PAGCOR, PCSO, yung confidential in intel, are we going to establish guardrails, limitations, standards, subject them to audit as the rest of the funding is subjected, and not confine them to the visitorial powers merely of COA? Isipin natin lahat ito kasi talagang problema yan.